Okay, in this case I'm showing you how to select between skins. In this case I have only 2 skins because I only create 2 skins for this demo, but you can customize and you can create your own skin. You only have to put it inside this folder called that is in your SD card called Ramses Iden Visual Audio Player skins. You can create your own skin. You can take these pics, these images, and you create your own images. You have to name them, your pictures, in the same way. You have to take the measures also. Have the same sizes. Thank you.